What to do with Roblox support ticket. So as you can see, if you want to report a problem or error, all you have to do is to go to Roblox customer service and then submit a ticket in order for them to know the problem that you are encountering in. So again, the question is what to do with Roblox support ticket. The answer is you don't have to do anything here. All you have to do is to wait for the administrator or customer service team to respond or to message you or to give you further instruction on how to solve your problem. This ticket means that they have received your concern, they have received your problem, they have received the issue. But you don't have to do or you don't need to do something with this ticket. It only serves or it only means that they acknowledge your concern. And all you have to do is to wait for that. So you just have to keep this ticket again. And that's it. That's just how simple it is. You just have to keep this ticket and you just have to wait for the customer service team to respond to your request, to your problem, to your concern. And you don't need to do anything else with this ticket. So the keyword is you just have to wait for the customer service teams respond and answer to your concern. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.